Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today we'll talk about one more stock called Tata Chemicals Limited. So this particular stock has been asked quite a number of times, and this stock is also in news because of its results, which is not as expected, and people are a bit in panic what to do with this particular stock. So we'll address everything in this video. We'll talk about the fundamentals, we'll talk about the results, and then we'll talk about the future prospect of this company. And at the end of the video, I'll give you one more information which might help you to decide whether you want to buy this stock or not, or whether you should buy this stock or not. Now, before we jump into all these things, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish any new video. And in this channel, I keep getting this kind of videos about fundamental analysis of stocks, about some kind of swing trading, also some top 5 stocks based on opportunity in the market. So we have a lot of information regarding stocks, and I also get some kind of videos on personal finance as well, which can help you to make more money or conserve your money in a better way. So let's get started. Again, I have created one Telegram channel also, which link is in the description. If you are interested, you can join the channel where I can put some information related every now and then for the market. Okay, now start the fundamental analysis of this particular company. So this company is the only chemical based company, and it has two different kind of chemical products. So one is your basic chemistry, and then other is your specialty chemicals. So this particular company, 75% revenue comes from basic chemistry and 25% comes from specialty chemicals. Out of basic chemistry, they have three products, basically four products. One is soda ash, which is 56% revenue. One is sodium bicarbonate, which is 4% revenue, and salt, which is 11.5% revenue. It also manufactures cement as a byproduct for soda ash, which has 4% market share in Gujarat. And right now, this company only market their cement in Gujarat, but they have plans to sell cement throughout India slowly and gradually over the time. So this is all about basic chemistry of this particular company. Now, interesting part is the specialty chemical. So basic chemistry has been an old business, but slowly they are moving to specialty chemical as well, which has now controlled 25% revenue for this company. It is growing slowly, gradually. Under specialty chemical, they have four different verticals. One is agro sciences, second one is nutritional sciences, third is material sciences, and fourth is energy sciences. Inside agro sciences, they have a company called Rallis, and Rallis takes care of all the agro related products, fertilizers, chemicals, and whatever agro is taken care by Rallis. They hold 50.6% market stake in this particular company called Rallis. Second comes nutritional sciences. Inside nutritional sciences, they have a brand called NQ. So NQ has two products. One product is based on fructose oligosaccharides, and second product is based on galacto oligosaccharides. So these products are used for improvement in gut health. So basically the food products can use their NQ branded nutritional sciences products, which will help the product to become a better for improving your gut health. So this is nutritional sciences. In the case of material sciences, they produce two products. First product is your zinc, nano zinc oxide, and second product is silica. So silica is used for tires and other similar industries, and your nano zinc oxide is used for cosmetic and baby care products, etc. The interesting and the most hyped or future oriented specialty chemical sector they have is energy sciences. Inside energy sciences, they have two verticals. One is EV and other is hydrogen fuel. Now let's talk about hydrogen fuel first, because it's a distant dream and it's not at all happening right now. But Tata Chemicals is one of those companies which are focusing on hydrogen fuel, since Indian government is proposing hydrogen fuel to be an alternate fuel in the future, and this company is working on it. So tomorrow down the line, whenever these things becomes more mainstream, Tata Chemicals is going to become a primary beneficiary of this government initiative of introducing hydrogen fuel in India. So we'll not talk about hydrogen fuel anymore. We will talk about EV. In the EV sector, this company has two parts. One is they are manufacturing energy storage solutions. Second, the recycling of lithium-ion batteries. So there are two kind of things. First, a lot of companies are making Amaraja battery, Exide, They are also making lithium ion batteries. Tata Chemicals also making lithium ion batteries. If you are interested about Exide, Amara Raja and comparison between these two, I'll leave the link in the description. Also on the cards, you can go and have a look, understand the difference between these two companies, and also who is better and which one can be bought for the future. Let's come back to Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemicals has support from its group of companies Tata Motors and Tata Power when it comes to your EV. So how it supports is Tata Motors is a market leader in India when it comes to selling of EV cars. Now when they selling cars, it's a group company, they will mostly procure batteries from Tata Chemicals only. So Tata Chemical has already a ready-made customer in the form of Tata Motors. Also, the batteries what produced by Tata Chemicals will also be exported and they have a revenue from that side also. Now comes the role of Tata Power. Tata Power is going to create a lot of charging stations. Along with that, they are focusing completely on renewable sources of energy and they will put solar roofs and solar cells and everything. And somewhere down the line, somewhere here and there, definitely Tata Chemical will play some role when it comes to Tata Power in their setting up of charging station or charging the batteries. Maybe they'll introduce swapping in the future, the swapping battery stations and everything. So whenever this overall energy sector where EV comes in the picture, rechargeable batteries come into picture, Tata Chemical will definitely support Tata Power and Tata Power will be one of the customers of Tata Chemical. So these three companies are together coming in sync to create an ecosystem and all these three companies will be benefited at the same time. For this also I created few months back a good video, a long video where I tried to link these three companies and how they are going to impact the overall ecosystem. I will leave that link also in the description in the cards. You can go and have a look at that video also. You will understand how these three companies are coming up together to create an ecosystem and they will become the front runner in that particular sector. So this is about energy sciences. I will summarize everything about the fundamentals. So basically there are two parts, basic chemical and specialty chemical. Inside basic chemical is soda ash, sodium bicarbonate, salt and cements. Inside specialty chemical they have agro sciences, nutritional sciences, material sciences, energy sciences. Agro sciences is been taken care by Rallis. Nutritional sciences they have brand called NQ. Material science they produce two products. One is for normally health related baby products or creams and all like this, makeup products and all. Energy sciences mostly EV into and hydrogen fuel. Now what to note is this company has stakes in some major Tata group of companies. Tata Tata Rallis it has 50.6%. Tata Motors it has some 0.006. Tata is I don't know, I forgot what is that. Titan is it has also stake. Tata Investment also it has stake. Tata Sons it has 2.5% stake. So overall, if you calculate everything, this will come around 20,000 crores. And the current market cap of this particular company, Tata Chemicals, is close to 18,000 crores. So you see that overall, whatever this company get money from other companies, or the companies which it have stakes, it's more than the current market cap of the company. So basically, you're getting Tata Chemicals as a free. So this is the current situation of this particular company in terms of market cap. So this is fundamentals of the company. Now we'll go for the results. What happened in the results? So result was bad, but the growth of the company has been good. It has been 11% quarter on quarter increase in the revenue. But the two news, and these are one-off news that this won't happen again. This is just happened just now because of some external factors like tax asset write-off 25 crore and 45 crore high energy prices in the case of polar vortex. So these two are one-off news and this impact of these two on the revenue happened just now and it won't happen again. Third thing is plant is operating in optimum capacity and there is a demand for soda ash also increasing in the other countries. So this is a good news. 10% increase is also good news. Then why this company result was bad? Because the result was not as expected by people. People thought that company will post a great revenue, company will post something about EV, company will post something about some kind of factory they are setting up for EV, but no news came up and people become a bit confused whether they want to buy this stock or not and whether they have taken a good decision or not. If you see balance sheet, the current work in progress is 1035 crore, but the company has not given any clear information about EV when it comes to their current work in progress, and this has confused the customers that whether this stock is in the right direction or not, or whether the investment is good or not. And because of this particular reason, first thing, the revenue dropped and didn't increase to the expected level, and second thing, there is no EV talk by the management when it comes to quarterly results, and that has put a bit panic kind of situation in the market, and that's the reason stock is going down yesterday also and today as well. So this is about quarterly results. Now moving to the third part. Third part is future. So I told you fundamentals. Fundamental of the company looks good. I told you quarter results, what happened and why this company's stocks got tanked kind of stuff. We'll talk about future prospect of this company. So future is what actually drives any stock price of any particular company. When it comes to Tata Chemicals, its EV is supported by Tata Motors and Tata Power. We already discussed about this in the past, like few minutes back, and you can check that how this company is related. Recycling of this EV batteries is part of this company's plans, where it gets cobalt from the recycling and it uses this particular product to make more chemical based products. This is a different business for this particular company. Then they have hydrogen fuels, which is a even more futuristic compared to EV batteries. So this is where the future holds. Now there was rally in this stock because people were more inspired by the future. But since there was no talk about future, people got panicked and they started selling. But there is definitely a plan. This doesn't matter the talk or not, but there is definitely a plan for this company about EV sector and hydrogen fuel and recycling of EV battery and everything. So that thing is going to happen for sure. But right now, the price of the stock is falling because there is no present information about it. So if you are someone who is looking for long-term plans and invest in companies which have long-term plans, then probably Tata Chemicals is the best company. But if you are someone who is looking for some immediate news, immediate return, then this company is not good. And this is my personal opinion as well. If you want to invest in company, specialty chemicals company which are doing things right now, then there are a lot many companies. Valiant Organics, I've already created a video. Then you have Chemcon Specialty Chemicals, which is very good. Then you have Galaxy Surfactant, which is also very good. So these companies are doing things right now, but Tata Chemicals is going to do things in the future, and it has plans and it has support from this group of companies. So it's a future, it's not a present. So if you are somebody who is into future, then you have to invest in this company. Otherwise, there are better options in the market. So this was my analysis from fundamentals to present and to future. So I have covered all the part of this particular company. Now I'll tell you the exact information what I want to tell you, and what I told you I'll tell you in the end of the video. So this might not influence your decision, or this is not some big news, but just to give you confidence, I had invested a particular amount of money in this stock before result came out, and after result I doubled my investment because I have some long-term opinion on this particular stock and I want to invest in this particular stock for long term, and because that reason I doubled my investment. So if you think that this particular this also looks good to you, then you can also go ahead and take your own decision on this. So this was my effort to clarify the things and give a clear picture about this particular company, what happening and what is going to happen and what might have happened in the past. So if you like this video, if you find it helpful, please hit that like button, and if you think this is worth others time, please share it with in your social network with your friends or on Facebook, wherever you are. Let others know about what we are doing, and let everyone come together and create a community where we help each other to grow more money or to invest in stocks and also to learn things. So be with us, subscribe the channel, give your feedback in the comments. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.